All reports start with a filter. To begin, start a new issue search or make a copy of an existing filter and edit the criteria. To create a filter from a new issue search, go to Issues in the ALOE ribbon and select Search for Issues. You can use any of these fields to narrow the search criteria and add keywords using the search box. We'll search in the Contracts project. We can add any additional fields we need by clicking More, and in this example, we'll search for a contract with the effective date within the last 30 days. To do this, we'll add -30D and 0D in the search criteria. Once you've narrowed what you want to look for, simply click Search. This will show you everything in your instance matching that criteria. In the Detail view, you can sort the results by a selected field. You can change your view here to List View, in which you can alter which columns are visible and drag and drop the columns into a preferred order. For this report, we'll add the annual contract value and total contract value as additional columns. From here, click Save and name your filter. Once your filter is saved, you'll see a Details link. This is where you'll grant permissions for the filter and add subscriptions. Permissions determine who can view your filter, meaning they can run the filter and see the results displayed. This is important if the filter is going to be used in a dashboard gadget. Permissions also determine who might need to edit your filter to make changes in the criteria. To add viewers, you will select the group or project whose users you'd like to give permission to. You can also make the dashboard visible to everyone in your organization with an ALOE login. And if you select anyone on the web, this allows you to put the filter on a public dashboard where people who are not ALOE users can see the reporting, like persons outside your organization, board members, and any other stakeholders you desire to share it with. Once you've determined the segments you'd like to give permissions to, you must hit Add. One important note regarding viewers and editors is that the viewing permission is coupled with the editing permission. So if you were to try to make viewers editors as well, you'll get a pop-up that they are moving the viewing permission to the editing permission, and that group will move down. Once you're satisfied with your permissions, click Save. To create an email report from this filter, you will set a subscription. This can be sent as a report to yourself or any group that you are part of in ALOE. Set the frequency and even the time the email is sent, and once you're satisfied, click Subscribe. To provide a printed report for a meeting, from the filter, click Export, and then select the format you'd like to see the report in. To create a dashboard report, leave the Filters page and go to the dashboard you want to add your report to. Click on Add Gadget and then click Load All Gadgets. Select the kind of report you'd like to show. I will add a Sum Up filter to show the total value of contracts effective this month, and a pie chart to show the assignee of the contracts effective in the last month. On the Sum Up filter, I will name the report and then input the name of the filter I want to use. I'll add the contract values field to display, and then I have to determine what to group by. In this example, I'll group by the other party name so I can see our revenue by account. When I'm happy with my display, I will click Save. On the pie chart, I'll select the filter I want to use in the report, and then I'll select which field I want to see the results arranged by. In this example, I'll use Assignee. And that is how you create email, printed, and dashboard reports. Dashboards can be shared with anyone who has the link when you set the permissions to public, so you can easily report on your department to leaders and other stakeholders who do not have an ALOE login by sharing a dashboard.